welcome back to a brand new video. Today, both of us are going to be teaching you how to make chocolate chip cookies.
First, put your oven on 180 degrees. We've doubled the recipe so that we can freeze half of the cookie dough and eat the rest. Make sure that your butter is nice and soft.
Put your butter in the bowl. It might be stressing for you guys, but we make the hard the easy on this channel. Definitely.
Next, put in your sugar and the vanilla. Next, mix your butter, sugar and vanilla until they're soft. This will take about 5 minutes. And turn it on to 1. When it is combined, turn the speed up to 4 until it is all pale and creamy.
When it's done, it should look like this. Now we're going to pour in the eggs, just half. Mix on speed 1 until it's just combined.
Then mix the rest of the egg in too. Just like we did with the egg, we're going to add half the flour to the cookie mixture. Mix in your flour on speed 1 and then do the same with the other half.
The last thing we add is the chocolate chips. Mix on speed 1 until they've just combined. The most important step obviously is to roll up some cookie dough balls. Get this. Just squash it around into a ball.
How about grab a ball about maybe 20-cent coin size kind of thing, and then roll it up like this, and then you get a ball, and then you can place it down on the tray.
I'm horrible at doing this, but
Okay, as you can see, we have evenly spaced out the cookies, and because of COVID, you have to space them out, like 1.5 meters. Now bake your cookies for 15 minutes at 180 degrees.
And now we made chocolate chip cookies.